Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Well, this is going to be fun. I am starting a new series where I am trying a whole bunch of different makeup sponges. I'm going to be putting them to the test and comparing them against each other, and then I'll be coming back and telling you my thoughts on all the individual sponges. So you want to make sure, if you have not subscribed to my channel, that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button along with the bell notifications so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. And if you want to see how this series is going to work, just keep watching. Alright guys, thanks for checking in today. So the way this series is going to work, I have all of these sponges and I'm going to be pretty much comparing them to the original Beauty Blender. Now I decided not to get the pink one, that way I could help kind of determine which one's which out of all of these. So I went with the nude one because I have used this before and I feel it's the same consistency as the pink one is. So this will be one that I am going to be testing out. As I go along here, I'm going to show you a photo of these when they are dry, and then I'm going to totally soak them and do another photo where it's side by side so you can see how much they actually grow when they are dampened. So I know some of you like to use them dry. I personally like to use them damp, so that I would give you a shot of what they look like either way. So again, the first one we're going to be trying out is the original Beauty Blender, and I'm not going to be doing these in any particular order when I test them out. It's just as I'm grabbing them out of the package here. And I'll put the prices of everything down along the bottom of the screen, and I'll have links to everything down at the description box as well. So the next one is another one I've used many times. I've used this for months now. This is the L'Oreal... what is this? This is the L'Oreal Blend Artist Infallible Makeup Sponge. So this one I know I really like, but again, I'll be putting it to the test. And then this is another one I've been using recently. Actually, I love this one even more. This has become my new favorite. It is the Sonia Kashuk Makeup Blender, and this one I picked up a duo. This is a dirty one. So that's the only downfall, being white. You can never get this totally clean. But this is a great sponge as well, so that's another one I'll be putting to the test. And then I've got the Flower Beauty Sponge. I've heard so many people rant and rave about this. I've used it before, and I will save my comments on it until I actually do my wrap-up video on everything. So again, we'll be using the Flower Beauty Sponge. And then I also have the Morphe Flawless Beauty Sponge. So I know they have one that has a wedge shape. I decided to go with this shape because that's actually kind of the ones that I prefer if it's not egg-shaped. So I'll try out Morphe. And then NYX has this one, which is black. So that one might be a little hard to see, especially when I get the glare of the lights on it. But I've never seen this before. I picked it up from Ulta, so I would give that one a try too. This one I've already taken out of the container, and I can tell you I'm a little disappointed. This is the Real Techniques body one, and if you watch Casey Holmes, she loves this because it gets huge, and it really helps you get your makeup done fast is what she says, but let's see if I can find it. This one's already cracking. And that's why I never liked the Real Technique brushes or sponges before. You see, there's another one right there, and I haven't used this yet. And it's already falling apart. So this one will be very interesting. Then from Shop Miss A, I picked up two different types. So they have this pink one and a light pink and a dark pink. So I'll be trying both of these ones and see how they compare as well. I've heard a lot from you guys that I needed to try this one out, because I did put out several videos saying, hey, which sponges should I be trying out? And you guys came through and answered. And Japanese has their beauty sponge, so that's going to be another one I will be trying out. Curious to see how that one works. And then this one, I picked this up for $3 at TJ Maxx. And it's actually two of them. So these are the mini sponges from Real Techniques. And they actually have little stands to sit on there too. So I thought that was pretty cool. And then I also picked up Essence's sponge. It's got a very unique shape to it, so it'll be interesting to try out. And then I decided to pick up one of Ulta's sponges, just to give a discounted, so if we compare like the Beauty Blender to that one, see how that works. This is one I picked up off of Amazon. I'm going to open this for you to show you. But this one comes with a little stand. So the stand, oh, this one doesn't fold down. Looks like so. And then you can just set that in there for it to dry, so that way it's apparently not getting all over your counters or anything like that. Just a way to keep it sanitary. I took these out of the package already and managed to lose it, but this is the Eco Tools set, so it's a duo one. These ones are wedge shaped, so you have one side which is really long and flat, and then a shorter side there. And same thing for the little one. So this one again comes as a duo. Alright, and then the last sponge I have is by Sponge Dry, and again this one has the little rack to dry it in. I had to order this offline, but it was highly recommended to me. And this one will actually fold down, so when you travel you can fold it flat and then you can flip it up and store your sponge in there. So I just thought that was a cute little idea. So went ahead and picked that one up, and that one's really interesting. It comes in different colors, so you can choose what color sponge you want and what color of little stand that you get. So you have a lot of choices, and it come with a little brochure as well. I just thought that was pretty cool. Alright, before I end the video, one more thing I wanted to do is I got some more Moda brushes in, and I just wanted to share them with you really quick because I've really been enjoying these. We've actually had some really good sales lately on these. And you know, I can never have enough makeup brushes. So, the first one I picked up is my favorite one to use my concealer underneath my eyes. This is their chisel one. This is just the perfect angle to get in there and get right under there and tap your concealer in. And it's a nice stiff bristle, but it doesn't leave any bristle marks in it. So I bought this as a backup. Then I decided I want to try out their dupe on the Artiste brush. This is their foundation one. Ooh. That's different. It's definitely, well, I have the number 7 Artiste. It's definitely not as dense. It feels good. So, be anxious to put this one to the test as well. Alright, then I picked up their Chic Pro eyeshadow. This is the eyeshadow brush, and this is the crease brush. You can see I've got the glitter on there. And then also from their Chic collection, I picked up these gold ones. I've got the concealer, the shadow, and the crease brush. Come on, let's not get a glare on these. And these are vegan, by the way. Should have mentioned that to you. And then I picked up 4 more brushes. I've got a smudge brush, a concealer brush, a crease brush, and then an eyeshadow brush. So anyway, all of their brushes are 100% vegan, so if you love vegan brushes, these are going to be a great one for you to try out. I'm curious to put them to the test and see how I like these, so I will report back in another video on those as well. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. Again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure that you subscribe. You also want to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. That's every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. And every once in a while, I throw in a Weird Wish Wednesday where I try out some weird beauty product I find off of a Wish. And so make sure that you hit that subscribe and the bell so you'll be notified. If you enjoyed the video and are looking forward to seeing my thoughts on this, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or comments or anything like that, please feel free to leave those down below as well. So as always, until next time, you guys, I love you and bye-bye.